My name is Ezequiel. I'm from Brazil, and well, I work in the food industry. So we were struggling for 1 year, I think, or 2 years, trying to make the ramen soup. And even in Brazil, we had some classes. I mean, we took some courses, but even though we could not make the perfect noodle, I mean, not even close to the ones that you have in Japan. So at first I was kind of skeptical if I would learn something here. But then after taking the course, I not only learned that, I mean, I learned many other noodles. And not only that, but also how to make the noodles. The important, the kansui, the ingredients, the flour, and all the process how to make it. So I believe that's a knowledge that I'm going to take the rest of my life. And it clarifies many doubts and questions that I had in mind. And I'm very glad to be part of this and to learn all of this. And not only that, and also just something that I learned here about the culture and the values of the company. So that's something that I'm probably going to take to my entire life. Yeah, so I'm very glad to be here. This is something unique, and thank you very much.